going into the clinic, I always knew that not all lessons could be learned in the classroom, so I feel as though the clinic provides transferable skills and that it bridges the gaps between what you learn in lecture and also applying that within the context of a working environment in the real world.
We have to work with members of the group that's also doing the clinic, so it's a lot of teamwork, so that's really important, communication skills, so we learn all of that throughout the process of working in the clinic.
Having worked in a law firm, I've really been able to gain an understanding of what the legal profession is like and the qualities that a lawyer may need. So things like being able to communicate effectively through stakeholder management, so understanding the different levels of information that are required for a client compared to a colleague.
I feel I've learned more practical skills which you wouldn't get from a classroom, and because we mostly do in the law degree, it's all academic, I feel like I've got more practical skills that I can apply throughout my career.
I think in the wider community we're involved with a lot of other organisations, things like PDAS, and being able to work with them and get referrals from them is something that we'd be expected to know how to do when we go into legal practice.
The law clinics, I think for a lot of people going to see a solicitor or barrister is quite stressful. It's a hard process. So if you go and see a free service, it takes the pressure away. I feel like it takes the stigma away behind what a lawyer is.
People don't always have access to legal aid itself, so the free service that we offer here is fantastic for the wider public.
Because we're students, sometimes it's easier to talk to us, and it helps them just as much as it helps us.
I was very nervous when I started university. I don't think I was very good at talking to people, and I feel now I can do it professionally, I can be appropriate, and I can conduct myself properly.
I'm considering doing a PGCE after I finish uni, something I wouldn't have necessarily considered in the first place when I started university as a whole. So it's really broaden my career path.
I think with university nowadays you always want to do something extra, whether it might not be sports, it might not be a society, but getting involved in something else that gives you the skills when you leave university is just really important.
I feel the clinic will be the reason for my future career. I feel that I've gained so many invaluable transferable skills. I feel with family law specifically that I've been studying, I can now deal with more emotional issues. I feel like I've got more empathy for people. If I go for interviews, I can talk to people about these things and I feel confident to do so.